Hello everyone, today I'm happy to share with you what fits inside this Coach Convertible Belt Bag. I already did a video of the unboxing and the initial thoughts on this bag, and I'll just link it up here in case you're interested. So this bag came with two free straps. So this is the strap for the sling, and this is the strap for the belt bag. Here are the for the belt, and this is such a small bag. Too bad my phone didn't fit in this very cute bag, but most of my things, my basic necessities or everyday essentials fits in this one. So I'll show you now. Let's open. So here I have a pen. I have here a tissue paper. My latest discovery, I found this one. This is a very useful and very effective for some small insect bites and some small cuts, and also for very dry skin or lip. Lukas papaw. My favorite, and this is my favorite lip balm, lip gloss. This is from the brand Sugar Babes, and this is what they call the Gloss Boss. It has some shimmer, and this color is called the Diamond. Then I have here my perfume. I also have here my key holder. This holds 1 to 4 keys. I have designed this very simple piece, very cute piece, and I called it Yuna, my very first item that I have designed and created. In case you're interested, I will link it below. The reason why I have created this one, because I have a few set of keys. I only have 4 keys, 4 small keys. So this is designed for 1 to 3 keys, but I have 4 thin keys, and I don't want my bag to be scratched with this key. So I have designed this piece because I haven't seen anything like this yet. Since I couldn't find anything like it, I decided to design and create it myself. Then I have here, I have bought my Coach card holder and another card holder. This is from Fino, made in the Philippines. This is a genuine leather card holder. But this bag already has a card slots. I just placed my IDs right there in case you have many things to use or to bring. No need to bring the card holders. On this side, I really love what Coach are doing on the inside. I really love the wide pocket inside because I'm using that to place some of my things small things that I usually use. This is for my phone, the pin for my phone. A hair loop. This is band-aid and thermometer. My angel, Saint Raphael, his medallion. And lastly, I have here some emergency medicines. So that's the inside. So I think you can fit a lot of small things inside the small bags. And this is a very cute piece, very versatile piece, because you can use it like a belt bag, or you can also use it as a sling bag. Too bad my phone wouldn't fit. I really wish it did, or probably I should use a smaller phone when I use this bag. And those are the things that I have inside my small bag. Really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.